I'm Justin Wilshaw, the Head of Hospitality and Lifestyle for Estia Health. We've got 68 care homes dotted across Australia. Just before COVID started, we began the trial of the system, and there were three main motivators behind it. The first was reducing bacteria on the surface and having a system that could effectively do that. The second was improved safety outcomes, and the third was effective scheduling. Interclean was the only system on the market that integrated both the scheduling component with the iClean system, but also with a really solid microfibre component that allowed us to have the complete system from one provider, which is really important from a management perspective.